Hey guys, I'm Kevin with JcrOffroad. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick installation of our Bronco ACC Relocation Bracket. Now I'm going to show you how to install our ACC Relocation Bracket for those of you equipped with that adaptive cruise control module. So you begin by removing this outer plastic cover. You can just grab a hold of the top and pull straight out to release these clips, and then kind of pivot that out and up to release the bottom two hold down clips. Then grab an 8mm socket to remove the 3 mounting screws holding this in place. Then you'll pull this out just far enough that you can access the wiring connection to release that thumb tab and pull the module out of the way. Now you'll need an 8mm socket and wrench to remove these 4 mounting screws here. So with that hardware removed, you can lift this entire assembly up and kind of spin it around. It is still going to be attached with wiring over here. And then you're going to need to remove these 4 plastic mounting clips that are holding that wire harness in place. It may be beneficial to have some sort of like panel pry tool or even just a flat blade screwdriver to kind of help you get these out. So once you have all of those freed up, what you're essentially going to be doing here is just shifting them all down one clip location. So you'll kind of wind up with just one extra one at this end. That can be cut free or left in place. That is entirely up to you. And that should give you the necessary slack that you need to install this with our relocation bracket in place. Then you can slide this back in and bolt it back in reusing that factory hardware. Now you'll grab our relocation bracket, go ahead and route the wire through this center cutout and kind of over to that side, and then you'll install this using the factory mounting hardware. Now you can grab that factory module, and then before it's actually bolted in place, you'll want to reconnect the factory wiring harness. And then you'll mount this to our bracket with the provided 1/4-20 button heads and serrated flange nuts. You'll want to start all of those by hand, and then you can tighten them up with a 5/32 hex. And then lastly, you should be able to reinstall the factory cover, sliding it into those bottom slots, pivoting it up, and snapping it in place. So one last thing I wanted to point out here, if you are going to be running this ACC relocation, you're going to want to make sure you have the correct center filler panel in your front bumper, which is going to be this one here that has the correct cutout to allow this to function properly. So that's all there is to getting this thing installed. If you guys have any questions about this installation or any other JCR product, feel free to reach out to us. You can send us an email at info@jcroffroad.com or give us a call at 269-353-1184.